don't think it was the restrictor. Norm, it's still smoking.
Son of a bitch. Well,
turbo tomorrow, hopefully.
I hit it 3 or 4 times. So
yeah.
Nothing. Now it's
but it's really not that bad. Like it's not smoking when you're in it. It's just when you stop. That turbo's supposed to show up tomorrow. If it does, great. If not, maybe Monday. Either way, we can get it. We can meet somebody or have it, you know, swing down and pick it up or whatever we got to do. We'll make it work.
I think we can make a run and then come in and shut it off right away and won't be any trouble.
Yeah, it'll be, well, whatever. Even if it smokes in the pits a little bit like this, it doesn't matter.
But you got to remember, I never cleaned that intercooler, so there might be still oil in there.
Well, that's true too, but I don't know. Oh, that's bad. Oh, that stinks. It's now 3:30 in the morning. Well, boys, it's Saturday morning. Tomorrow the test and tune for Miles of Mayhem starts. I'm all loaded up, ready to go. So yeah, I'm just gonna swing by Norm's, see how he's making out, see if his turbo showed up. Fingers crossed. If not, we might be smoky the first day, and then have to pick that turbo up on the way to Saskatoon. So either way, we'll get that thing figured out. But yeah, I'll show you my setup, and then we'll head over to Norm's. Well, here's my setup. I got a bike on the back for the wife so she can make it around the pits. Got my slicks, everything in the back here. Got a cooler full of soft drinks. Got water, methanol, some chairs, all my tools. Got my race helmet, everything electronic in there. Got my meth, obviously. Ice box is full. Yeah, I got all my sponsorship decals on. Provost Auto Supply, C4 Welding and Pressure Testing, and Scorpion RV and Auto. I'll put links in the description below. Be sure to check them out, send them some love, but we're ready to go. So I am fired up. Armin!
Yes, sir.
How we doing?
Well, we're still having issues, but I took the turbo off. I built a little pipe to go from where the turbo mounted to my exhaust. I'm going to drive it into Edmonton this way.
Yep.
Put the oil burner turbo back on to make a hit on Monday morning.
Yep.
My turbo may be in Vermilion. I'm just going to call. Apparently that's where it's landed today.
Yeah, so then if it's here today, you'll make the, it'll be like a 4-hour drive.
Yeah.
Make the 4-hour jaunt to go get the turbo and back and get that slapped in.
And then slapped in tonight, because we still got 2 days, Ryan. Like, we got.
Well, technically, yeah, you don't have to test and tune tomorrow.
Right.
So
2 days, I think we can do it.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm ready to run. I want to go hard.
I'm so excited. No, this is gonna be awesome.
Yeah.
Truck's looking good. Got some new seats in there.
Yes. Yeah. We're just gonna do some.
Got to show the people the new seats.
Jeremy cleaned the interior. Looks like new.
They're not new, but.
And they're nice.
Newish,
yeah.
yeah.
Lumbar. They've got up and down, forward, back. I know heat. We decided to go heatless.
Yeah. Well, you don't need heat. Should be all right.
Plus 30. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, it's coming, Ryan. I can see the end.
Right on, right on.
See the end? I see the end.
Well, we're heading up today, so I guess keep me in the loop. If you get a turbo, when you're coming up, what's going on.
Yeah, well, I'll text you.
If you need me to run for something in Edmonton, I'm only 15 minutes away, so
okay.
Not a big deal.
Okay, well, I'm going to phone right now and see if we can get a turbo.
Sounds good.
All right.
So, final word on Norm's turbo is it's not going to come today. It's going to be at a warehouse in Vermilion on Monday. So, I guess depending on the route, Monday we're leaving Nisku. We'll be going either Highway 16 through Vermilion or probably Highway 13. Either way, we'll just make a detour, pick it up, and we'll have a fresh turbo for Tuesday at SIR. He's just going to run it as is, NA to the track. We'll put the old turbo on to make a hit on Monday. Hopefully everything hangs together, should be, and should be good, and we'll go from there. So we're about to hit the road here. I'm going to head to Stettler and meet up with Mike and Steve, or at least Steve anyway. You'll probably know them from Barkley Built. And yeah, we're going to head up together from there. So next stop will be Stettler. We made it to Stettler. Transmission's a little warm. I had to adjust the tune a little bit just so it would stay in lockup, but it is pretty darn hot out, so it's fine. But yeah, we just met up with Steve. He ran into Walmart to grab a few things, and we'll hit the road to Nisku. So got a couple more hours. We've done a couple 100 kilometers already, so we're about halfway, and find somewhere to stop for supper, check into the hotel, get ready for racing tomorrow, so all should be good. So we just set up camp in the parking lot of Walmart. And Steve work.
Yeah, just just getting used to the way the miles will probably be anyways.
Yeah. You know, we're supposed to start with the Mayhem tomorrow.
This Mayhem has been all week for me.
Well, you and us both, buddy.
It is not been fun.
Yeah. The Mayhem began. Steve's overheated, and we've made it like 3 miles. So, might be a timing issue, he's just dialing that back. But yeah, we'll get it figured out. To Nisku and found kind of an impromptu car show, so obviously we pulled in. There's a really cool Corolla behind me here. I'll show you some of this stuff.
Back when they were fun, they were rear-wheel drive.
That's the best part. Light and rear wheel.
Yeah, it'd be a riot to drive.
The cool thing about the Datsun is it's independent. It's very advanced.
This thing's pretty sick too. I love the paint on it, flat black. Looks really good. Interior's pretty good too. Well, and that's a wrap. We made it to the hotel. Tomorrow is the beginning of Miles of Mayhem. Day 0, if you will, is the test and tune before the actual racing starts. But we will be there. I'll be sure to bring you all the action. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit that little bell icon so you don't miss out on any of the action. I'm going to be uploading a video every single day for Miles of Mayhem starting tomorrow. So stick around, the action's about to start.